I'm Lunzell. That's my pops over there. This is a 1972 C10. Me, my brothers, and all. His dad helped a little bit. Some of my uncles helped on some of the hard work on sanding the frame, stuff like that. So this is a LT. We put this in here. This is like our guinea pig. This is like our first one we did off the frame. So it kind of took a while, but it was more like a family thing. I didn't think this color was gonna look good on paper, but my dad had his mind made up. He was all like, man, I'm painting this green. I was
I
like,
think he might have
man,
got it right.
I don't think the green gonna hit, but
It's
my brother,
hidden though.
yeah. So me and my brother, we sprayed it. Well, my brother, he sprayed it.
Mm-hmm.
I was just there like with the mixing. That was my first time like learning how to spray. My grandpa, before he passed, he taught my brother how to paint. So he painted the truck. I did most of like the suspension, hard work, stuff like that. My brother at the time was cutting the floors, the firewall, stuff like that, doing all the welding. So like I said, this was like my first go around learning how to do it. And then shoot, I don't know, man. We can just keep looking at it. My dad friend did the interior. He did the interior. And we just
What
kept
kind of
going.
gauges you got in here?
I think that's from we got that from what's that place called? Outback. I'm not sure.
Okay. It's a nice steering wheel.
Yeah, all that's from Outback, man. We built all these trucks off Outback.
Okay.
Yeah.
All these trucks. So y'all have more?
Yeah, we have more trucks.
Okay.
Yeah, we just brought this one out here tonight.
How long y'all been doing it?
I want to say off the frame, we probably been doing it like 5 years.
Okay.
So this was our guinea pig. But before that, my dad had multiple old school cars, but it was just more so just stereo, rims, paint.
Mm-hmm.
But now we're starting to get into like, all right, change the motor, put different suspension, stuff like that. So
Which other vehicles do you have?
Camaros, Chevelles, Mustangs.
Which year Camaro?
69, 68.
Oh.
Yeah. We got a few toys.
And who really got you involved with it?
My pops.
Okay.
Yeah, my pops. Yeah.
It's all right, bro. What size engine did you have in here?
5.3 LT.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Run pretty good.
Yes, sir. I love these. They pull great.
Y'all plan on changing anything with it?
Say that one more time.
Y'all plan on changing anything?
Nah, this it.
This is it.
Yeah, this our guinea pig. We just like he just like, hey man, it is what it is. He be telling me, I'm like a neat freak, so I be wanting to change stuff. And he be like, man, if you want to change something, we're gonna build another one. And you put your thoughts on another one. We ain't fucking
But
with
you ain't
this.
changing this one.
We ain't changing nothing on this. But he said we're gonna drive this. That's why we're here today.
Yeah.
They like, hey, you wanna put something on that? You put it on the new truck, we're gonna do it.
That's all right.
Yeah. So all the little brown you see,
Yeah.
I wanted to do this like a long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
But we was forced to do it because a piece on our suspension had broke,
Mm-hmm.
and we had to take it all off to rebuild it,
Mm-hmm.
So when we took it all off, he let me put a little touch of brown.
Put
your
touch on there. Sound like you got on the nerve long enough. He said, "Go, just do it."
Yeah, he was all like, "Man, go ahead." But it's a part of character, he give us the freedom to fool with it,
Yeah.
and spend time with my dad, So
Oh yeah.
It's all about making memories and stuff like that. So.
Oh yeah.
That's really why he do it,
Oh yeah.
I'm more in it for like the thrill. I like spending time with him too, but I be want to like see it,
Yeah. Y'all doing the car shows?
Nah, we just do what you see now, just like ride.
Okay.
Stuff like this.
Just get out and have a good time.
Yeah.
That's all right, man.
Little weekend ride.
Man. All right, man.
Appreciate it, boss,
Guess that's
man.
gonna do it. Thank y'all.